Okay, so I went to Dollar Tree tonight. I was waiting on my daughter. She was in training, so they have a Dollar Tree next door. Got some arts and crafts type things for projects. Got this garland. Of course, everything there, is $1.25. A special project in mind for most of the stuff in here. And these stickers, or rub-on transfers. Thought those were really pretty. I have a skull project in mind for most of this. This is not anything to do with that project, but I thought they were just so neat. Let's see, they're stickers. I got company. Let's see, they're just so neat. These stickers are motorcycles, old cars, movie reels, Hollywood. And I like the aliens one. And some letters. Look like the neon sign letters. Okay. And then this felt flower kit. That's for the skull project. And came with the super glue. Let's see. This is for that same project. I'm not going to actually use these as doilies. But they're doilies. They were in the kitchen area. There's two of them. Oh, and this is for a friend at work. She loves this TV show, and I thought this would be pretty nice to give to her. And this has nothing to do with arts and crafts, but I thought I'd give this a try. Soft and smooth cleansing balm. Smells really good. And of course, I have a lot of joint pain, and this really helps with joint pain. And this was so cool. This is, let's see. This is gem mesh. It's 3 yards. Look how neat that is. Ooh, so pretty and sparkly. Alright, so there's my impromptu Dollar Tree killing time Dollar Tree haul. Thanks for joining.